Join us for a room tour of Pixar Place Hotel's Pool Terrace Club level room. As you walk into the left, you're going to find this full bathroom. You'll find a single sink here, all of the toiletries that you need, toilet, and a stand-up shower. You'll also have those classic Disney non-H2O products for you to use like shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Across from the bathroom, you'll find this large closet. This is going to be a full-size closet with plenty of room to hang all of the items that you have with you, as well as storing extra bags that you have on your trip. Next to that spot, you'll find a Keurig single coffee maker, as well as a mini fridge down below to keep whatever you need cool. Now from there, you enter the main room area, and what is so great about this hotel and these rooms is just all of the attention to detail when it comes to the artwork. Look at that lamp. It is a Pixar lamp. You're going to find tons of sketch work in here. So every detail, you'll want to take a look and explore all things Pixar in this room. This room comes with a full queen-size bed as well as a sofa bed that pulls out to a full size for smaller guests or people who are looking to sleep up to 4 in this room. You're also going to note a lot of outdoor space here with the terrace view and a table and chairs for you to enjoy. This hotel is great for Pixar fans, especially if you want to be as close to the parks as possible.